A well-functioning oven is crucial for reliable cooking. A failing igniter can cause heating problems and safety risks, so recognizing early signs is vital to avoid breakdowns. Welcome to HnKParts. In this video, we'll show you how to identify common oven igniter problems and what technicians check to ensure safe ignition and reliable oven performance. Today, we'll discuss oven igniter troubleshooting and the key warning signs you should never ignore. The oven igniter plays a critical role in starting the heating process by igniting gas and allowing the oven to reach and maintain the correct temperature. When it starts to fail, performance becomes unreliable and safety risks increase. Let's break down the most common signs that indicate a failing oven igniter and what technicians typically check during diagnosis. The first and most noticeable sign is slow preheating. If the oven takes much longer than usual to reach the set temperature, the igniter may be weakening and not drawing enough current to properly open the gas valve. Another major warning sign is no heat or complete failure to start heating. Even when the controls are functioning normally, a faulty igniter may prevent the oven from producing any heat at all. A key visual indicator is the igniter glow condition. A healthy igniter produces a strong, bright orange glow. If the glow is dim, weak, or inconsistent, it usually means the igniter is deteriorating and nearing failure. You may also notice intermittent heating issues, where the oven works sometimes but fails at other times. This typically happens when the igniter cannot maintain consistent performance under load. Another common symptom is repeated clicking sounds without ignition. In this case, the system is attempting to light the burner, but the igniter is not generating enough heat to initiate combustion. A serious warning sign is the smell of gas without ignition. This indicates that gas is being released but not properly ignited, which can become a safety hazard and should be addressed immediately. Technicians diagnosing these issues usually check the igniter's electrical continuity, glow strength, and response time. They also inspect wiring connections, control signals, and gas valve operation to ensure the entire ignition system is functioning correctly. If the igniter is confirmed to be weak or failing, replacement is often the most reliable solution, as repair is usually not effective for degraded igniter components. These troubleshooting steps help ensure the oven operates safely, heats efficiently, and maintains consistent cooking performance. Early detection of igniter issues can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. For reliable kitchen appliance parts and expert troubleshooting guidance, visit HnKParts.com and follow us for more repair and maintenance insights. Thanks for watching.